Alright, so today we're going to be doing a line of sight video of my current racing setup, and there's nothing really specific in this video that I'm going to be testing. And this is definitely not a line of sight purpose-built quad. I've just never actually done a flight video with this, so I figured I might as well. So let's go over the parts real quick here. I'm using for the frame, this is the 533 Switchback Pro. This is the long back version with the 6-inch arms, but I am running the 5-inch props. I just found this, I like it a little bit better, it's smoother. However, the light version of the arms, I definitely are a little bit lighter, and it just flies a little different. For the motors, I'm using the iFlight Sing V2. These are 2207 1855 kV. Since it's a little bit lower kV, it's not quite 1950, which is what I used to use. I paired it with the Gemfan 5147.7 instead of the 5146.6. A little bit of trade-offs, but I found this flies pretty well. I raced this at I.O., and the quad wasn't what was holding me back. So for the stack moving inwards, we have the iFlight. I believe, I'm not actually sure what this is called. Hopefully you can see it has the pads sort of at the diagonals, and it has some nice ground bars along the sides. I really like this ESC. I haven't killed one yet. Actually, I killed one. It was dead on the first flight, but everything else in that, I've crashed these a ton of times. And so far, I've been really liking them, and I really like the layout. And it pairs with the iFlight flight controller. I'll leave a link down below. I can't remember the exact name of it, but it's an F7. And moving up to the Vtx and Receiver, I'm using the TBS 69 in here. So it's got a TBS Unify Pro Nano 32 in there for the Vtx, and the receiver is a Crossfire Nano. You can just see the Immortality of the back. And then for the battery, I'm running a Tattoo R-Line V3, or actually the V4 1300 milliamp hour. And powered by the trusty Tyrannus with the Crossfire Micro. So, you can probably tell I haven't really been uploading very frequently. It's because I haven't been flying. I only fly once every few months, really, so I'm going to be a little rusty here. So we'll see what we can do. These quads are just so much fun to fly. Okay, so 69's bound up. Got the pink props for the extra horsepower. Definitely, this one's definitely a little beat up. I can hear the bearings. Like I said, I raced this at I.O., so it is not a brand new quad. Try to stay to the left so the sun doesn't glare too much on the camera. But it just flies so nice. I don't think it's the most powerful quad I've ever had, but it's definitely the smoothest and best flying quad. However, I did build one of these, the light version of Longback with the 1950 kV motors, and it was really, really powerful. So I think it's just the 100 kV, but it's still an insane quad. Just love the look of the pink props with the blue TPU, the teal. Gotta get a closer funnel here. Wind's pushing me away. I think this battery's pretty new. Less than 10 cycles. Definitely still cuts. Oh, it gets you every time. The amount of thrust. Woo! I was just flying freestyle, so the rates were higher, so now I'm back on low race rates, so gotta get used to the slower roll rate. Yeah, like I said, nothing too special, nothing like being tested here. It's not like my 150 gram quad, like it's nothing insane for line of sight, but yeah, I just haven't made a video on it. I figured I might as well, because I was gonna fly it anyways. Just love like doing these little cuts. Just sounds so good. The wind's like at a weird diagonal here. Keeps pushing me. I'm trying to keep a little sideways power loop thing going here. Flying this makes me want to race again. This is so strong. And the noise. Ooh. I won't torture this battery too long. I'm also like out of things to do because like I said, I'm pretty rusty, so I can't remember too many tricks or anything. Oh wow, the battery's actually like not even warm at all. I guess this is a pretty new one. So there we go, that was just a quick flight with my current race setup. I'm not sure if I'm going to be sticking with this going forward for races. As you guys probably know, with like the silicon chip shortage and just everything in general, parts availability is pretty bad right now. I think when I got these ESCs, they were supposed to be like $50 and I ended up getting them for like $80 or something. Something that's just really expensive everything is right now. I might be changing the motors for something more powerful or something higher kV, so then I can go back to the 5146 props from GemFan. These 5147s are pretty good. I don't know, I just feel like the 46 just felt a little bit better on the track, especially when I was flying the light version of this frame with the props being closer, because on this 6-inch arms you have a lot of clean air, so it's really smooth, so I can take advantage of these more aggressive props. But yeah, that's going to pretty much do it for the video. There will be links down below to all the parts for this build. Yeah, thanks for watching, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.